Happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. Well, hey everybody, this is a little kitchen quickie here. Now, what does one do when they have a little bit of rotisserie chicken left over? Well, I'm going to pan down and I'm going to show you. I have a stalk of celery here. I have some of my rotisserie chicken. I'm going to go ahead and shred this all up. I have some shredded cheese here. I have some pepper. I have some Greek yogurt. And back here I have some kosher salt. Right here I have some minced garlic, some parsley, some dried minced onion, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some garlic salt. I don't have my onion salt, but you're also going to need some onion salt out here. And I have my whole dill weed. So, with all that being said, I have a bowl right here. We're going to sit there and go ahead and dump all of the yogurt into said bowl. I'm going to take the chicken and I'm going to set that off to the side so I can shred that all up. But now let's go ahead. Let's grab all of our Greek yogurt. Put that all in our bowl here. Now, let's go ahead and measure out all of our dry seasonings. Alright, you're going to want half of a teaspoon of the garlic salt. And then you're going to want half of a teaspoon of our onion salt. You're going to want 1 teaspoon of the onion powder. You're going to want 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder. And I'm sorry if I keep hitting the camera. I don't mean to. And then you're going to want half of a teaspoon of the dried minced onion. Gonna want roughly half of a teaspoon of the dried minced garlic. Gonna want half of a teaspoon of dried parsley. And we're gonna be needing half of a teaspoon of our dried dill weed. Alright, now let's go ahead and give that all a good mix. Now, add about half of a teaspoon of pepper and a pinch of kosher salt. Stir that in as well. There, now it's all mixed up. Now the next step is I'm gonna sit there and dice up my celery, and I'm gonna go ahead and shred up the rest of my rotisserie chicken, and then I'm gonna bring out a bowl and we're gonna mix it all up. Now, I chopped up that celery. Now I'm just gonna add it right to that good old mixture of dressing. Let's go ahead, give this a good stir. Now I still have my chicken to shred all up, so I'm gonna get going on that. Okay, I roughly chopped up our rotisserie chicken here. We made our dressing. We have our cheese here yet to add. All that we need is a mixing bowl to put this all in. And I'm gonna go ahead, add all the chopped up rotisserie chicken. Let's go ahead, add all the cheese. Now, I have a fork and I'm just gonna sit there and roughly toss the chicken and this cheese all up. And then we're gonna sit there and add the dressing and mix that up. Now, I would suggest just giving it a little taste test to sit there and see if it needs any more of the cracked dressing, or if it may need a little bit seasoning with salt and pepper. Is that a new thing? Huh? No. Hey, Big Huda. Is that a new thing? Huh? Alright, now if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of these type of videos, leave a comment down below. I love hearing what each and every one of these all have to sit there and say. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that little bell or that subscribe button, then tap that little bell. And that way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And I want to sit there and thank each and every one of you for taking the time out to watch my videos and help support my channel here. But happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? Now before I go, I have to show you. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that good. Oh, look at that. Is that, oh, you know what? I can't wait no more. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm.